Today we talk about how can you verify your age on your Roblox app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you're scrolling down here until you will find here settings. Just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on account info here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open with you. So then you're scrolling down here until you found verify my age here. Just click on it. You just waiting to open with you. And here can you click on start session here. Then it's going to take you to verify your age or identity verification on your Roblox app. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.